Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindy Peters and I'm a financial coach, here to help you plan for a brighter future and help you take more control over your hard-earned pennies with budgeting, saving, motivation and guidance. Just a disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, I'm just a financial coach. So please make sure you always do your own stock research before you invest your money. I'm just sharing my opinion and my investment journey with you, but I'm not a professional investor. Now, the first one that we will be looking at is Pembina. Now, they are a pipeline corporation company. They are in the energy sector and they mainly work in North America and Western Canada. Now, they deal with gas gatherings and processing facilities of oils and natural gases. They also have a logistics side to the business. So I think this is quite versatile as they don't only do one thing, but energy is something we would always use, and the transportation of things is something we would always need as well. So let's have a look at their stocks and shares because that's the part I'm more interested in. Now today their stocks are at $25 and 7 cents. Now with the stocks, there's quite a few different stocks you can buy, so it would be worth having a look at what is the one that's interesting for you. Now I'm looking at the monthly one, so I've got the one for the New York Stock Exchange, PBA. Now if we scroll down, you'll see they actually pay out monthly and they pay out 21 cents every single month. So that is for me a great starting point, and as you see it has gone up from last year. So if we want to see more of the historical details, we'll click there from 1979. There you will be able to see how much they have been paying over the last few years, and you can keep on going back. So you can see they have been paying dividends for quite a number of years. So I think this makes them a really safe company. Obviously, I don't know what's going to happen in the future, but from a historical point of view, to me, this seems like a really safe company to invest in. If you're getting value so far, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Now, the next one we'll be having a look at is Main Street Capital. Now, they are in the financial industry and they are helping lower middle market solutions and middle market solutions, trying to help companies to grow. Now, if we have a look at the middle market solutions, we see that they provide a one-stop capital solutions for lower middle market companies seeking to grow and transition ownership. Now, if we look at the middle market solutions, also help with debt financing, recapitalization, refinancing of companies, and helping them by doing everything in-house. And if you have a look at the company history, you'll see that Main Street Capital was founded in 1990, so they've been running for quite a while. So I think this makes it a safer company once again, because it's not something that got started yesterday. They've been up and running for a while and the business seems to be doing well. So that's a bit more about the company. So let's have a look at the dividends, because the dividends is what we are interested in. Now you can see it is going for $29 and 60 cents per share today. Now, if we scroll down, you can see they have been paying dividends for quite a while if you look at this chart. Now, even if you go down further, in the last 12 months, they've paid out $2 and 46 cents. And if you want to see the breakdown of it, you can scroll down. You'll see there's everything for 2020 so far, what they've paid out and when they've paid it out. And you can scroll down, you'll see all the other years where they've paid out. So that is a good indication of them paying out on a regular basis. So that means it's safe, in my opinion. And it's something I've already invested in. And as you know, I've already got 2 shares in this company and will be putting some more money towards them in the future. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. For any questions for me or any topic requests, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.